Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between packing and packaging. Although these two terms are often used interchangeably, they have different meanings and purposes in business, logistics, and marketing. Packing mainly focuses on protecting products during storage and transportation, while packaging focuses on protecting, presenting, promoting, and communicating information about the product to customers. Let us understand the major differences between packing and packaging. Number 1. Packing is the physical act of placing products into containers or wrapping materials for protection, whereas packaging is the complete system of enclosing, protecting, and presenting a product for distribution and sale. Number 2. Packing mainly aims to ensure safe handling, storage, and transportation, whereas packaging aims to protect the product while also enhancing its market appeal. Number 3. Packing has a narrow scope focused on containment and movement of goods, whereas packaging has a broader scope that includes design, branding, labeling, and customer experience. Number 4. Packing primarily protects products from physical damage during transit, whereas packaging protects, preserves, promotes, and communicates information about the product. Number 5. Packing is operational and activity-based in nature, whereas packaging is strategic and customer-oriented in nature. Number 6. Packing usually occurs at the final stage before storage or transportation, whereas packaging begins during product design and continues throughout the product life cycle. Number 7. Packing focuses on bulk handling, warehousing, and transportation, whereas packaging focuses on product presentation and customer attraction. Number 8. Packing commonly uses materials such as cartons, crates, sacks, bubble wrap, and pallets, whereas packaging may use paperboard, plastic, glass, metal, or eco-friendly materials. Number 9. Packing generally involves little or no design considerations, whereas packaging involves creative and attractive designs to influence buyers. Number 10. Packing has almost no role in marketing activities, whereas packaging plays a significant role in branding, advertising, and product promotion. Number 11. Packing usually provides little or no product information, whereas packaging provides information such as ingredients, instructions, barcodes, expiry dates, and safety details. Number 12. Packing has no direct interaction with consumers, whereas packaging directly influences customer perception and purchasing decisions. Number 13. Packing often emphasizes practicality over sustainability, whereas packaging increasingly incorporates environmentally friendly and sustainable designs. Number 14. Packing is generally less expensive because it focuses on protection only, whereas packaging is usually more costly due to design, printing, branding, and specialized materials. Number 15. Packing ensures the safe storage and movement of goods throughout the supply chain, whereas packaging ensures product safety while also improving marketability and customer satisfaction. To summarize, packing is mainly concerned with protecting products during storage and transportation, whereas packaging is concerned with protection, branding, communication, customer convenience, and product promotion. Understanding the difference between packing and packaging helps businesses improve logistics efficiency, strengthen brand identity, and enhance customer satisfaction. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.